Hello and welcome to this beginner-friendly guide on MOSFETs. Today we will explore what a MOSFET is, how it differs from regular transistors, the main types like N-channel and P-channel, how it works, and step by step how to connect one in a simple circuit. Everything will be explained clearly and accurately, so even if you are new to electronics, you can follow along easily. MOSFETs are incredibly important in modern devices because they control large amounts of power with almost no effort, and they are the heart of every computer, processor, smartphone, and power supply. Let us get started. Picture a MOSFET as an electronic switch that you control with voltage instead of current. The name stands for Metal-Oxide-Semiconductor field effect transistor. Unlike the bipolar transistors we talked about before, which need a small current at the base to turn on, a MOSFET needs only a voltage applied to its control pin, called the gate. Once that voltage is there, almost no current flows into the gate at all, because it is insulated by a thin layer of oxide. This makes MOSFETs extremely efficient. They waste very little power and can switch on and off super fast, which is perfect for computers running billions of operations per second. A MOSFET has three main pins, called the gate, the drain, and the source. Think of the drain as the input, where power comes in, the source as the output, where it goes out, and the gate as the control knob that decides whether the path from drain to source is open or closed. The most common type used by beginners is the enhancement mode N-channel MOSFET. In enhancement mode, the MOSFET is normally off, meaning no connection between drain and source, until you apply the right voltage to the gate. There is also depletion mode, where it is normally on, but enhancement mode is what you will see in almost every hobby project and modern circuit. Now let us look at N-channel versus P-channel. In an N-channel MOSFET, applying a positive voltage to the gate relative to the source turns it on, allowing current to flow from drain to source. In a P-channel MOSFET, you apply a negative voltage to the gate relative to the source, or pull the gate low to turn it on, letting current flow from source to drain. N-channel types usually handle more current with lower resistance when on, so they are popular for switching big loads like motors, LEDs, or power supplies. P-channel ones are handy when you want to switch the positive side of a circuit. How does it actually work inside? When you apply enough positive voltage to the gate of an N-channel enhancement MOSFET, it creates an electric field that attracts electrons and forms a temporary channel of negative charge carriers between the drain and source. This channel acts like a low-resistance pipe, letting current flow freely. Remove the gate voltage and the channel disappears, turning the MOSFET off like opening a switch. The beauty is that the gate draws almost zero current once charged, so you can control huge power with a tiny signal from a microcontroller or even a button. This voltage-controlled behavior and very high input impedance make MOSFETs ideal for digital logic amplification and power switching. Let us now build a simple step-by-step example using an N-channel MOSFET to switch an LED, just like before, but with much more power handling potential. You will need a 9V or 12V battery, one N-channel enhancement MOSFET, such as the popular IRF 540, or a logic level 1 like IRL Z44, an LED, a 330 ohm resistor for the LED, a 10 kilo ohm resistor for the gate, some wires, and optionally a push button or switch. For testing, connect a switch between the gate and positive supply, or simply touch a wire from positive to the gate briefly to turn it on. When you apply positive voltage, around 5 to 10 volts, depending on the MOSFET, to the gate, the MOSFET turns on fully, the LED lights up brightly, and it can handle much more current than a regular transistor without getting hot. Remove the gate voltage and the MOSFET turns off cleanly. The 10 kilo ohm resistor to ground ensures it stays off, then no signal is present. For P-channel, it will be different. You connect the source to positive, the drain to the load, and pull the gate low to activate it. MOSFETs power our world in exciting ways. In electric cars, powerful MOSFETs switch the huge currents to the motors thousands of times per second. In your laptop charger, they efficiently convert and regulate power. In LED strips and solar inverters, MOSFETs handle high voltages and currents with minimal heat. Even the tiny processor in your phone contains billions of microscopic MOSFETs, switching at incredible speeds to run apps and games. They revolutionized electronics by making things smaller, cooler, and more energy efficient. To wrap up, remember, MOSFETs are voltage-controlled super-efficient switches. Start with an N-channel enhancement type, learn gate, drain, source connections. Always use a pull-down resistor on the gate for N-channel to avoid floating states, and add a series resistor if driving from a microcontroller. Build this simple LED switch on a breadboard. Experiment with different voltages on the gate and see how little effort controls big power. With this knowledge, you can move on to motor drivers, DC converters, and even Arduino projects. Thank you for listening and happy building. This has been your complete, easy-to-understand introduction to MOSFETs. Enjoy experimenting.